guys, it's me, Maddy, and welcome to my channel. For my first vlog, I showed you what's inside my activity box. Today, I decided to decorate it. Maybe you're wondering why I'm wearing a unicorn headband and a unicorn t-shirt. Because it's my favorite thing! In fact, it's also the theme of my 7th birthday party. And because it's my favorite thing, I decided to make a unicorn activity box. If you want to learn how to make a unicorn activity box, all you have to do is to watch my video and click the like and subscribe button. These are the things that we will need. White cartolina, some colored papers, but don't worry, we're not going to use all of them. A pair of itty-bitty scissors, so cute. A glue stick. Some tape. Oh, this one's heavy. A pencil for drawing, but don't worry, your drawing doesn't need to be perfect. And of course, the activity box. It can be any type of box, as long as it's empty. See, it's empty. First thing we need to do is get the white cartolina and wrap the box with it. Want to see a magic trick? And 3, 2, 1. Voila! Magic! Thanks for the help, Mom. The second step is to get the yellow colored paper. Draw a triangle on the paper. It's supposed to look like this. Cut the triangle out carefully. If you don't know how to use scissors yet, ask help from an adult. And here's our unicorn horn. Next, get 3 colors for the mane. I chose orange, blue, and pink. Then fold them in half lengthwise. And they will be like this. Draw the mane on each paper. It should look like an eyebrow. Make sure they're on fleek, because my mom said Kila is life. Now I have the unicorn's mane! It's so colorful! Aww. Now get another colored paper for the top part of the unicorn's hair. Then draw and cut out a crown-like shape that is supposed to look like this. Then gather all of the cutouts. Then glue them on the box one by one. I started with the horn, then the long mane. I wonder what is missing. Oh right, the top of the hair. You thought I forgot all about the eyes, don't ya? Cut out a pair of black winky eyes and glue it on the box. Are you ready to see the finished product? My very own unicorn activity box. Hope you make yours too. That's it for today, and see you on my next video. Bye!